The closet. Yes, closet. Yeah, you can do the closet first. I can't see the closet. We got the nest. Hey, look at that. Well, the show. Actually, we're gonna do videos. We're not taking the pictures. We're gonna take videos of it. The show begins right now. Oh, put the music on right now. Okay, it's going. Pause. Any do. No, you're not singing, Bella. We don't have MC Hammers. I can do it on my computer. Well, you know, Tony's in it too. He's gonna be in it.
Okay.
So that's why, because they got him monkeys that were bird. He used to have the monkeys, now they're gone. They went to the jungle. Now they went to the jungle where they live. But this little monkey didn't want to live. He wanted to live with the hummingbirds. Oh yeah. Ooh, he was like this upstairs. He was like this. He was like bored. He was like, where is everybody? I bet Daddy make him like this. I gotta get the music. I gotta use it in my room. I gotta use it in my room.
She's got music for you.
Yeah, but we're not supposed to do the princess music. We're supposed to do it with the birds. You don't have to use it. No, you don't have to use it, Bella.
Charlie's stealing Angry Birds. We got a stash. We got a pig.
Not right now. We gotta do the
red
words.
bird.
Yours don't have any words. Here, we just do that for the first time.
Okay, start the show. Run it.
Not yet.
Action.
Not yet.
Okay.
Pause your videos because we gotta. Action. Not action right now. Not right now. I gotta go get my computer for the words. I gotta do it.
Hurry. I gotta go to bed, so I gotta get up and go to work in the morning.
Aw, Charlie.
Bella, you sing for us in the meantime.
I can do, he can do anything. We let the people sing. Can the sun shine on me? Bella, time to get in your seat. Okay. The movie.
Yay, Bella!
The movie's fixing to start. It's fixing to start, Mommy. I'm gonna tell everybody to connect to the TV. Connect it to the TV.
Who are you talking to in there? Your control people?
Yeah, so they can connect it. Because I can do anything.
You didn't even got your
We
steak.
do the
All right, show's fixing to start.
Okay, the music's fixing to start right now. Like, can I do? Okay, it's going right now. Okay, this is the last song.
Okay, Bella, get in your seat, baby. Come get in your seat by
Bella,
Mommy.
get in your seat. It's time for the show.
Come in. Come, Bella.
Bella, go.
Come get your seat. Hurry.
Hurry. Oh! Show us fix the start. Okay, the show will begin. You met Bella.
I mean Bella.
You thought that was beautiful. What are you getting?
This is so funny. I love my
She's
baby.
gonna have pictures. I don't know how to do videos on there. So it's hard.
Bella, no.
No,
This is Bishop's turn now.
Because I gotta do the
Just sit up here and watch with Mama. You did a great job.
Okay. Action right now. Okay, it's not it. Action. Oh, this is nice.
You need to turn your volume up.
Oh, okay, so the people can.
Where is that other music coming from?
Right here.
You can turn it off.
No music from. Oh, it's me.
Mhm.
Oh, I got a lot of. What is everything
for everyone?
Okay.
I got a lot
This
of
is so
pictures.
cool. We got some. Oh yeah, this is cool. Can stay here, guys. I'll go.
I got
I
a
got
lot
some
of pictures I
bananas.
can.
Listen to watch the show.
Here's some bananas. There you go. It's sure is fun. Oh yeah. Fly. They said it was here. It's time. Okay, time to kill them. No, actually, the red birds kill it.
Those are the eggs. The pig stole the eggs. And the birds are gathering around the nest.
You're not supposed to be saying anything.
Well, I was letting the people know watching.
Oh. Yeah! This is so cool. Huh? Yeah, it's cool. Where's our other bird? We used to have our other bird. Oh, yeah, this is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah!
Cheese. Say cheese.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Where is the pig? I don't know. There he is. Follow him. Hey, what are you doing here, pig? Can we have our egg back? What? I can't hear you. What? You my sign paper right now. What?
Look, we're doing this show right now, Daddy. We're doing this show.
We're in the middle.
Yeah.
We're showing your hair. Oh, that's strong.
Ooh,
Yeah.
yeah.
I
I
can
can
take
come
a
up
picture
here.
of you.
Ooh, yes. We can. Hey, give me my eggs back. Nothing right now. Yes. It's
Say
so cool.
cheese.
You must be our king master. I get to be the king. Thank you. I would like to be the king. Thank you, pig. Okay. Fix the next leg, George. Shoot him. Whoa! Ow!
Bishop.
It's almost the end
What
of
do
it.
you do?
Oh, gee, that broke my head up.
Uncle Leonard's guitar. I'm playing Billie Jean. Da 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 da.
Where is Billie Jean? Oh no! It's time for dancing. Time for dancing. Yeah. Da 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 da. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Is it over?
No, it's still on.
Not over yet.
What else? Well, we're missing something in the movie.
Well, we've almost did our limit, so we need to cut it off.
Not right now.
The video. I gotta cut the video off.
Not right